Alrighty, so I finished packing all the dry bags, and here's what it looks like. And I'll just go over how I packed the 6 dwarfs, my dry bags. So this one right here is the sleeping bag with a sleeping pad wrapped around it, and maybe some other small things. That magical blue bag is my fashion attire for the next 7 days. So that's all the clothes, socks, and whatnot, normal, yada yada yada, quick dry stuff packed in. That, as you can tell by the silhouette, yes, I'm using my foot as a pointer, is the pot, and then the actual tent pad, rods, cooking utensils, yada yada yada, cups, all in there. And then in this transparent bag, we got stuff that I need access to, like I would have more immediate access to while I'm on the kayak. So things like contact lens solution, snacks, granola bars, gloves, books, what have you. And the transparent bag just makes it easier for me to locate what I'm looking for. Oh yeah, headlamps and flashlights as well. And then between these two, I've split all my food for the next 7 days. That one is a 20-liter bag, this is a 25-liter bag. These two are 55-liter bags, that's a 10-liter bag, that's a 20-liter. In this bag I have all my pita breads and the dinners for the next 7 days that are, the backcountry pen style dinners where you just add water and then voila, you got your meal. And then here I got like my instant noodles and canned food in that bag. So yeah, wish me luck, and if you don't hear from me again, you'll know why.